We continue from the last video where we just explained about enumerable. What do we do? Good. We get this code. Let me just close this code. Close this one. Let you understand. We see how we code blocks in there. First, we'll try for invoke. In this main view called index view, we get we model by default. We the help we. This is erase or syntax. We the help we for call either for import a library or we database, say to say. So we get the collection we call enumerable, where I don't explain detail. Then we try for can set up we interface by using the dev express. We tell us we want to use dev express functionality in style sheets and in CSS, all routine involved. One of the style sheets we use for dev express, then there are many. One, now the theme, the beautiful looks of the website. Yes, now we do now. We tell us say we use dev express. Then get this style sheet for we. Inside configure, set this style sheet to this theme. This and the theme in English. You can look for different dev express themes online and change them. We want to change this whole theme, just highlight this one, say Control H, then take this man to this man. Then meanwhile, the theme name na in the type there. Then make sure that you replace them to all the project, so they replace everything. Now in we first do now. Secondly, the header of the interface. You don't see we create a div. This now a div. Div now for show the level of your code organization, how you want the interface will look like. We can also okay this first div now. What we do there? Now we see what we do. We create a table in that div. We create a row and column in that table. This now row, this now column in the table. Then we know all the tabs. So we want for use some server side code. I don't really say they use eraser. This now the eraser, this arts. If they use eraser for let you able invoke you C# code now the front end. You want this some conditionality. You tell and say yes, let you check the record access level. Meaning, if the record access level, it enable you for let you add record. Now this form. Now we get for go to the controller. Well, I'm sorry, to the account manager. This account. We get for go the later. But features in there where you don't open the form. After I don't open the form, we want to know whose access can get this person. If this person is able for add any record at the branch, he able for delete, he able for manipulate records, then we get that grant stay. Now in we try for doing here first. Say go to record access level. Maybe we don't know if na integer but convert it to string. And we use the contain function. Contain function meaning if it contain, then it is something that we then call add. If you did it, then we create a parenthesis now. We use the dev express button, meaning we want for get a button we call add. We want for automatically design an add button for her. So this one now a button this where they enable this person for you to add new record. If you know the day, then you know they will add any new record. Next thing again, after we don't set up this button, we also create a column and a table. I'm sorry. Yes, we set up. You don't close this column. Open another column again. For variable, this one I end. Let me see. What they talk about? This column I end. Look at see what I end. This back another column back. So now two column we put the column 1, column 2. The column 1 now for let you add the column 2, let's see what we tell them back for do. Good. In the column 2, we first get a width. Say let be 100% meaning they occupy the full table here. Then what we do there? We try for get a menu. We set up the menu. The menu is a list of items we can do there. First, we get a name called branch header menu. Then second, we try for the length they do auto width. We try for restrictor. Then good. We have to get some beautiful interface, honestly. So what to do? We use settings. Inside the settings, we inherit some of properties what we call control style, and control style give you a CSS what we call cascade style sheet class. Then you get a beautiful menu where in the day where if you want, you can change different menu style. This we call a header menu. Then also this end one for let it flop the box, it will look fine and nice. Then we enable in animation, we set them true. Then also the padding left, padding right, CSS one for let get space, both the left, the bottom, let it get a nice spacing. Let this from here to here, space then here. From here to here, space then here. Now we try for doing here. All this one are just configuration how the thing will look like in terms of finance. Now what you want for Kangia now? Look on that day. We can add waiting. Which item we can add there? We say let's get the button we call refresh. You don't see? From the button refresh, we get a navigation. We say let's go to controller we call branch. Inside the controller, function that they view that they will call index. So once we say refresh, all what you did on the branch controller, you look in index on the branch controller. Now we go to branch controller, go to controller, we go to branch. Then we look for index. Not just look for index. I say Control F. I say our index. Now go look for index on the branch controller. You see the index? Now the index is what we look for. You see? What in the day? We say let it make sure that all the fields can become null, meaning for anything I click refresh, if I don't type fields something inside the text box in there, let him see them for me all. He sets them for me to null. Now you do now. Meaning if I click that button, this navigation, meaning if I click, go to branch controller, go to index, what he tell you? He say empty all that in there for me. So the name of the button in name refresh. You don't see? Then you get an image for that look fine. Yeah, you get a width so far. This now we do now. We get back another button we call reports. You don't see? The same applies again. That's what we do and back now. Yeah. So at the end of the day, this ends say to print. You see the print back, the same thing for print. I'm not going to explain again. Get upload button back. Each one gets in controller, it gets in name, in view name. You don't see? So now so we do now. After we don't that day, we can explain now in the next video what in this other code we talk about. So let me close this whole end now. This whole table, this div, sorry. In the next video we can discuss about this other end. Stay relaxed and make yourself comfortable for the next video.